Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will do this wonderful design using two different stitches, double back stitch and whipped back stitch. I think most of you know how to do back stitch. Even then, I will show you. I have taken 3 strands of thread and I have drawn 2 lines, one beside the other. I'll begin from here. Put your needle down, bring it up on the next line. Again put it down, bring it up on the line on this side. Put it down, bring it up on the other line. This is very simple. It is just that you are doing back stitch on 2 parallel lines at the same time. You must take 2 small stitches. In all the tutorials, as I tell you, small stitches will look good. Very simple stitch. I'm sure all of you will be able to do it. Now I will show you how to do whipped back stitch. First you will do a single line of back stitch, ordinary back stitch as you do, a single line of ordinary back stitch. That's the first thing you will do. I have chosen a dark green thread for the leaf, a single line of back stitch, ordinary back stitch. After you come to the end of this line, you must put the thread down. Otherwise, it does not look good if you go to the other side without putting the thread down. As you come to the end of this line, you just put the thread down. You just put the thread down now. Just put the thread down. For doing the whipped back stitch, you can choose another shade of green or any other color. I have taken a lighter shade of green. And what you have to do is pick up your needle from here and just go through the stitch. That's all. You don't have to go through the cloth, only through the stitch. And each and every stitch and from the same direction. You just have to go through the stitch, not through the cloth. I have taken a shaded green, but you may choose any other color that you want. It is very simple, but the effect looks very nice. It's just another variation of back stitch. You can see very simple, just through the stitch and not through the cloth. And again the same way, when you come to end of this line, you just put the thread down. When you come to the end of this line, put the thread down. Just put the thread down. That's all. Isn't it looking nice? For this part of the design, I have only done backstitch using 3 strands of thread. And for this also, I have done whipped backstitch and I have used 2 different colors. After completion, the design will look like this. It's very easy and it does not take much time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this hand embroidery tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on future embroidery tutorials. Until next time, happy stitching.